Technological changes have changed the way businesses conduct their affairs, especially over the last 30 years. These latest technology changes have dramatically affected the way companies communicate with their current customers and grow new customers. Artificial intelligence engines like Siri have been identified as the future of digital marketing. For instance, if you want Siri to pick you, you need to have an address, proper keywords, hours of operation, good description, and good reviews. How does that help? The consumer is looking to find the best Italian restaurant that is less than a mile from his present location. He asks Siri to find and open. So Siri takes the latitude and longitude of his phone, searches for Italian restaurants using information from websites, the type of restaurant, which here is Italian, versus the hours opened. Siri calculates the distance of the restaurant from his phone. Then it takes all search reviews to suggest the restaurant to recommend. And voila! When the old ways of marketing become less effective and the new ways of marketing are overwhelming, your growth becomes limited. That's when to call DMA for a free consultation. DMA Consulting has spent 30 years helping companies utilize technology to increase profits. We have provided unique solutions to the most pressing needs of businesses. Going forward, we know that artificial intelligence engines, Siri, need data. And to make it easy for Siri, you want to put the data in a location that is easier to find your business and in the right format. This builds your SEO, Search Engine Optimization foundation, which becomes the foundation of your future marketing success. Digital marketing is like building a house. There should be a solid foundation and a good roof to take care of immediate needs of growth, and a strong house, SEO, so it can be passed to future generations. The balance comes in how much focus on SEO and free advertising versus paid advertising. Paid ads will get you leads a lot quicker, but at a much higher cost, and solely in the area that you advertise. Are you ready to grow your business with an affordable and effective online marketing solution? Call DMA Consulting at 321-235-5700 today for a free consultation to learn more about how we can make your business thrive.